Prior to government's announcement today on the latest development with the PDS deal, the US government had announced that it will no longer release to Ghana the $190 million Millennium Compact Fund. The US, among other things, says a cancellation of the concession agreement is unnecessary and in bad taste. Ghana's Information Minister, Kojo Oppong-Nkrumah, says government is committed to giving Ghanaians value for money, hence the termination of the deal. The Power Distribution Service (PDS) was engaged in March this year by government under the MCC Compact 2 program to manage the staff and assets of the Electricity Company of Ghana (ECG) under a 20-year concession agreement. It was, however, suspended in July after government said it had detected some financial and material breaches in PDS's acquisition of an insurance guarantee. The transaction advisor, which is the Millennium Development Authority (MIDA), however, cleared PDS of any fraud upon investigations. Despite the clearance in August, PDS remained suspended until government issued a statement on October 18, 2019, announcing its decision to terminate the concession. Government says processes towards the termination have commenced in earnest.
The two sides were not able to agree on a common path to resolve this point. The government of Ghana, consequently, from 9:30 a.m. today, is commencing the process to terminate. The necessary documentations are being filed with PDS and the Energy Commission. It is expected that residual matters between ECG and PDS will be resolved with dispatch.
The Millennium Challenge Corporation, also in a letter to the Finance Minister, asked government to formally announce the reinstatement of the PDS concession rights by October 30th or risk losing the sum of $190 million under the MCC Compact 2 agreement. Information Minister Kojo Oppong-Nkrumah says the concessionaire failed to meet its obligations, leaving government with no option except a termination.
Should government have acquiesced to the MCC pressure to save the $190 million US grant? We do not believe so. The view of government is that to the extent that we advised and we believe same to be true, that the concessionaire had failed in delivering and maintaining valid securities, it was not possible to go along that route.
Government says the $308 million secured under the compact will be used to improve on the activities of ECG to ensure constant electricity supply after the termination of the deal.
President Akufo-Addo took a solemn oath before God and the Ghanaian people that he will be faithful and true to the Republic of Ghana, that he will dedicate himself to the service and well-being of the people of the Republic of Ghana, and he has done exactly that despite the pressure. The $308 million US already secured will be utilized to improve the parts of the program, such as the primary substations, etc. Measures have been put in place to ensure a smooth transition fully to ECG. The government has been committed to ensuring and will continue to ensure that even in this period, or the period of this suspension, electricity supply has been and will continue to be stable. Dumso is a thing of the past. We also do not expect interruptions in power supply as a result of this decision.
The Information Minister says government will still go ahead to ensure private sector participation in the management of ECG.
Is government still interested in private sector participation? Yes, government is interested in private sector participation. In the coming days, the minister responsible for finance will be outlining how we intend to achieve private sector participation in the ECG turnaround program still, even in the absence of this particular option.
The minister also refuted claims that government made up the allegations of fraud against PDS in order to make way for its cronies to take the place of the consortium.
Has the government been negligent in this transaction? Never. The government of Ghana has at all times worked with MCC in structuring this transaction in the best interest of Ghanaians. No effort to get Ghana a good deal has been spared. Third, is it true that the transaction was botched by some machinations of government? Government has not been up to any machinations. The intent has been to ensure efficiency in the ECG turnaround program and the fulfillment of the broader compact all along.
Reporting from the Information Ministry, I'm Ni Ayikwe Okain for City News.